Today we're going to demonstrate a bearing replacement on a CG1500XL or a 2000XL. The procedure will be the same. You'll notice this is how you will receive the unit. This is a top frame only, but this is how it will be boxed and shipped to you. There'll be a top box on top of the framed unit. This is the top frame. We'll show how to replace one of the two bearings, or both of them actually in this case, on the top frame, and we'll show you how to do it on the middle frame and bottom frame. If you notice underneath, when you're looking underneath the deck, you're going to have side thruster bearings, and you're going to have the 5203Z, which are these bearings, a 5203 double bearing, which is on either side of the 1500XL unit, on the top frame and the bottom frame. To replace these, you'll use a snap ring plier along with the snap ring or E-clip, and go ahead and set. That's how it goes in to replace it. To remove it, so you just spread it apart and pull the bearing off. Then get a new bearing, slide it back on, get your E-clip, prepare it in the snap ring, set it back in the surface, and you're done. The same would be the case for the single bearing, single width bearing. The procedure will be the same. You'll notice that when you roll out the middle frame, that the stoppers at this location and this location are going to stop the middle frame from extending 100% and falling out by the cross member in this location. If you flip these up, the entire middle frame can be removed. Then you can access the bearings for replacement. The same is true on the top frame. You'll have a deck on the top frame that you'll also have the flappers that you'll have to look up underneath the deck when it's in place. Flip those up and be careful that as somebody else is pulling it out, that they don't rake your fingers across the cross member. But that's how you remove the top frame as well, with these flappers. And then you can get to the bearings on the top frame. The procedure for replacement on these bearings will be the same as on the top frame.